Welcome to Quick Urdu lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about angry in Urdu language. Let's have a start. Angry, naraz, naraz. First say na and then say raz. Naraz, that mean angry. Let's see some example. I am angry. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. That's mean I am angry. Let's see some another example. She or he is angry to me. वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. Repeat with me. वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. This sentence can be used by both gender, feminine and masculine. Let's see another example. Why you angry? तुम नाराज़ क्यों हो? Repeat with me. तुम नाराज़ क्यों हो? This sentence can also be used by both gender, feminine and masculine. Let's have a quick revision. I am angry. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. She or he is angry to me. वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. Why you angry? तुम नाराज़ क्यों हो? तुम नाराज़ क्यों हो? In our next lesson, we will talk about lazy, how to say I am lazy or how to ask why you become lazy. Subscribe us if you are new to our channel. We teach Urdu writing, Urdu reading, Urdu speaking and how to cook Pakistani food, and we also talk about Pakistani culture. So subscribe us to continue your learning. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.